Hi! In front of me is Motorola Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Motorola. Begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll down and choose Display. Now you need to scroll down again, tap on font size and click on the best option for you. I will go with small. You can do that for your internal and external font. When you're ready, select the back button and as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!